Welcome to Infi Fin, the one-page financial plan everyone needs. Written to sound practical, motivating, and easy to follow. You can record this smoothly at a calm, steady pace. Stop overcomplicating your money. Most people think managing money needs a thick file, spreadsheets, and complicated charts. It doesn't. You don't need a 50-page financial plan. You need one page that actually works. What is a one-page financial plan? A one-page financial plan is a single sheet that answers just 3 questions. Where is my money today? Where do I want it to be? And how do I get there? That's it. Simple, clear, and powerful. Know your numbers. Everything starts here. Monthly cash flow. Income minus expenses equals savings. Pause for a second and write your number. How much are you saving every month? That number decides everything else. The 50-30-20 rule. Here's a simple guideline. 50% for needs like rent, bills, and groceries. 30% for wants like travel and shopping. 20% for savings and investments. This is flexible, especially in the Indian context, but it gives you a strong structure. Build your safety net. Before investing, protect yourself. Your emergency fund should cover 6 months of expenses. If your expenses are 40,000 Indian rupees, your fund should be around 2.4 Indian rupees lakhs. Keep it safe and accessible in a savings account or liquid fund. Protect your base. Insurance comes before investments. Term life insurance should be about 10 to 12 times your annual income. Health insurance should be at least 500,000 Indian rupees to 1 million Indian rupees. If applicable, consider accident or disability cover. This step protects your entire plan. Clear bad debt. High interest debt is a wealth killer. Credit cards first, then personal loans. Pay more than the minimum amount and avoid new debt until this is cleared. Freedom starts here. Define your goals. Give your money a purpose. Short-term goals, under 3 years, like vacations or gadgets. Medium-term goals, car or home down payment. Long-term goals, retirement and children's education. Clear goals bring focus. Match goals with investments. Short-term goals need safe options like FDs and liquid funds. Medium-term goals work well with hybrid or balanced funds. Long-term goals belong in equity mutual funds, stocks, NPS, and some gold. Time decides risk. Start investing the simple way. Follow this order. EPF or PPF if you're employed. Then NPS for extra tax benefits. Start SIPs in just 2 or 3 good equity mutual funds. Add gold only as a small portion, about 5 to 10%. Your one-page plan template. Now bring it all together. Write your monthly savings. Tick off your emergency fund. Note your insurance coverage. List your goals with target years. And write down your SIPs with amounts. This is your entire financial life, on one page. What not to do. Don't skip your emergency fund. Don't buy insurance as an investment. Don't chase stock tips. Don't compare your journey with others. And don't wait for the perfect time. It never comes. Review and adjust. Revisit your plan every 6 months. Life changes, income changes, goals change, and your plan should too. Celebrate progress and fix gaps. Your next step. Pause this video. Take a paper or your phone. Fill your one-page plan. And comment done below once you finish. Next video. In the next video, we'll build your emergency fund step by step. Where to keep it, and how to build it faster. Releasing this Tuesday, turn on notifications. You just took control. Remember this. Clarity is better than complexity. Action beats perfection. Start small and stay consistent. Thank you. Thank you for watching Infi Fin, where finance meets infinity. Subscribe, comment, and share this with someone who needs financial clarity.